Hello and welcome to the lock-in. Today we've got an Egret padlock. There it is. And it's a Chinese lock. And there's the keyway. There's no protection around the keyway, around the car. So this will be possible to shim this down the shear line. I'll do that on another video. This time I'm going to pick it. So here goes. Sorry about that. A slight bit of tension on. Start at the back. That's pin 6, 5, 4, nothing on 3, so on 2, click on 3, click on 4, click on 5, back to the front, click on 1, small click on 2, nothing on 3, small click on 6, that's it, it's open. So that is the Egret. I'll just try the keys in that lock. Oh yeah, that works fine. There's the key, and that's the bitting on the key. So on the pit locks that you own, and keep it legal.